Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Omnisend, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contact list from Omnisend? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export or download your contacts from Omnisend anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to sometimes switch over to a different software provider, and you want to be sure to download your contacts before. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Omnisend dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Omnisend, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and export your contact list, here on the left side, you're going to click on Audience. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Exports. Once you do that, you're going to click on New Export here on the top right in turquoise. All right, once you do that, you get to choose what information you want to export. Today, we're going to go ahead and export all contacts. Once you've chosen, go ahead and click on this turquoise export button. All right, now it's going to go ahead and start processing. Now, it really depends on how many contacts you have on your list. You can see it's thinking right here on the right. A quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see it's ready to download. So I only have one contact in this Omnisend because it's just a test account. So if you have a huge list, it's probably going to take a lot longer. And then all you're going to do is just click this download button here on the right. All right, quick second later, the spreadsheet opens up with my list of contacts from Omnisend. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to load or export your contacts from Omnisend, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.